Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. 4th of July part 2. My thing ended Max level. This is his two big ones. Are we gonna let him? Whoa! Oh, okay. Is that it? That was it. Bossness. Don't push me.
What's that one about? Ooh, that one's gonna be good.
All right, here's a big one.
What's this one?
Ready. Good.
You guys saw that, right? That was big. Look at all this.
Did our grand finale.
What are you doing now? Here's the light.
Lucas, do not go over there.
Oh my God, there's a big heart.
What's that,
Oh no, it's a heart. This one's a big heart. It's just the box heart with the fuse. Oh my God.
Aww.
Oh, this sucks.
So tell me it's not going to shoot up in the air and go hard.
Huh? Sorry. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. And I will see you tomorrow. Alright, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week or something.
Yes. Dad.
Wait. Oh, he got some sparks?